Hi everyone, welcome to this tips and trick video on the Bain Group channel. In this video, we'll be walking through the new Microsoft 365 app called Microsoft Lists. The topics we'll cover today are general overview of Microsoft Lists, what makes it different, and use case of when to use Microsoft Lists. Currently, this app is now generally available for the public. We do have to keep in mind that there are still many more features to come, but we're excited to cover them as we hear more about it. So be sure to check back in for more tips and trick videos. This new standalone app can allow you to create new lists to stay more organized, and you're not only able to work smarter and faster, but collaborate with anyone, anywhere as stated by Microsoft. Think of it as your newly improved Excel spreadsheet or an extension to the modern list that is inside of SharePoint Online. So what makes Microsoft Lists different? Well, first, you can visualize your data in a couple different formats, just as you would in the browser version of SharePoint Online, such as a grid view here. You can even go into your grid view and design the tiles and adjust any information that you want to show. You also have the option to view this in a calendar view. New email alert setting to get updates of when a particular item has been changed has also been easier by using some of these smarts already out of the box feature that comes into lists. You also have the ability to connect it to Power Automate by selecting the predefined flows on the options to the side, and of course, Power Apps. We can also see this being utilized in Microsoft Teams by adding it to a new tab. Personally, one of my favorites as I find this to be more user-friendly and flexible to manage in the Microsoft Teams environment. You're also given the additional features such as templates, which are classic lists that have been transformed into modern formats. Currently, we are given 8 different templates that will have pre-formatted columns and properties, so the creation of lists goes by much faster. With each one, you're also given a preview as to what the possibility of this list can look like. Now you may be wondering, when will I use lists? To answer that question, you already are. To start, you can actually start using it now to import Excel spreadsheets and turn them into lists, as for example, moving data from Excel to SharePoint. Some broad use cases you might even use Microsoft Lists is to help track assets, inventory, issues or risk, and clients, or for overall project management. It can also be utilized when you need custom tables and column that make sense for you and your team members. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like and hit the subscribe button to be notified when we upload more tips and trick videos. Of course, be sure to keep an eye out when we release more updates about Microsoft Lists. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.